Ladies and gentlemen, there seems to be a fire. Their fire alarm's going off. Hi, everybody.
What a welcome.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, we're leaving. Bye.
This is how you know it's real.
The kids didn't mind. Okay, where's my guys?
Hello, everybody. So, sorry for the delay. David left the oven going.
I didn't know such things.
In case you weren't paying attention or you're wondering why there's a delay, there was a fire drill. From word on the street here is I heard one of Kingston boys dang near hit the sprinkler. So, yeah, a bit of a delay. Bringing a whole new definition to warming up, if you ask me. But
I don't know about
but
that.
I have my partner David.
Yep, I'm back.
He's back. How was your trip to the Antarctic?
Cold.
Fair enough.
Just like it was outside just a second ago.
Well, that was something. Any wise words of wisdom, David?
Don't mess with the fire alarm.
See, like, the funny part about it is you heard the alarm, I saw the lights.
I heard it, you saw it, yeah.
And then we're just kind of like, do we need to leave? So,
Yes, this is Miss Peterson. I was here too.
yes, Miss Peterson.
I was hoping we'd streamed it live, but we didn't. But we did record it. But
So that'll be posted.
it went off. Yeah, we kept hearing it. It sounded like it was raining.
Yeah, I thought it was raining
behind
too,
us.
yeah.
And then there was this foul, burnt smell. Do you smell that? You don't smell that?
I'm going to be honest with you, I haven't been able to smell in a while.
Well, there's a really icky odor here right now. And the boys that came out of the locker room from Kingston said that they saw a water sprinkler burst. They said it looked like really bad gray water going everywhere. So that's what the rainy sound was we heard. And so everybody was kind of half outside. Fire trucks drove up.
As I will transition
Mr.
to
Breakbill was
the game.
running all over the place. Mr. Mack. It brought back memories of burnt popcorn day when we had to go out.
Well,
that was exciting.
what a fun start to our Thursday.
How late are we now? We're like, what? Oh, 6 minutes. Starting up 6 minutes late. That's not bad.
Just say someone got hurt. Just say somebody got hurt and we got 6 minutes delay.
Yeah, we say that even though we just explained what just happened. That makes sense.
See, David, this is why I missed you. I missed you with the call, you know that? So we will be doing the girls' varsity. The roster is Zaylin Giles, Julia Hatcher, ZZ Tweely, I believe. Sorry if that's mispronounced. Bailey Burnett, Riley Kate Lorenz, Bailey Yates, Addison Gardner, Maddie Hayes, Macy Presley, Emma White, Mac Lenham, and Avery Higgins. You got anything to say, David? And the alarm's going off again.
Do we need to head back outside?
Guys, you may have missed us running for our lives the first time.
Maybe not the second time.
Maybe
bro.
not the second time. Only difference is I'm grabbing my shoes. Stay tuned for halftime where we will be having an interview. So
Who will be that? Guest?
Emma Curtis is joining us at halftime. As the fire alarm continues to go off, me and Dave will giving you live coverage on the website firefighters.org.
Definitely.
for your latest commentating of fire hazards.
I mean, we've already had 2 today, apparently,
What was the first one?
where we had to run outside. Now it's throwing off again.
And you did turn the oven off, right?
I think I did. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows anymore, really?
Who knows, he says. Okay. So let's hope we're not getting copyrighted from this music, huh? I mean, we're kind of starting it a little bit, so me and Dave's kind of got to interact with each other and talk a little bit. We look around.
I don't see nobody running for their lives. The fire alarm is still going off, though.
Do you remember that day that the fire alarm, what was it, like went off the whole day in one section of the building?
Yeah.
That was annoying.
That was the hallway that I was in just about all day long. I had at least 2 of my classes in that hallway.
I only had one of the classes in there because I came in a bit later than
And not
everybody
just
else.
that, but I also had study hall in that same hallway.
So I'm gonna switch off from the flashing lights just in case somebody has epilepsy, just to be courteous. Here comes the airplane, David. Here comes the airplane.
I just can't keep the mic close to my mouth, apparently. Not close enough, anyways.
Hold on, let's watch the live highlights from that. Here we go. David, rock, paper, scissors, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win.
Dagnabbit.
Get beat.
Get beat. Newest insult, everybody. Get beat. Yeah, so we kind of got to talk for the next 5 minutes, David, so nobody gets bored. Actually, y'all can't really look to the right, but David, if you look right there seems to be an inspector. You see him?
Oh, yes, I do.
Also, shout out Miss Correa. Shout out Miss Correa and everybody watching. She asked actually if we're going live, so pretty good.
Here's your answer.